This period, it might be hand for hand as points try to score each side of the autonomous. 51-88, high performer during this autonomous area. Their teammates are cheering, but the Blue Alliance is not to be outdone. 34-90 and 15-01, tackling different sides of the reef. Potentially could have been the highest scoring autonomous into Indiana, but Team Thrush was just shy for a couple of those placements. The remainder, 2 minutes and 50 seconds, is all teleoperators, human players pick up their controllers and drive the robots that their team built over the past 10 weeks. Team 5188 classified robotics, picking up game pieces from the coral reef station and delivering them onto their reef. They'll potentially knock out those coral pieces, which are those teal inflatable spheres, to open up additional scoring opportunities for their alliance. Blue Alliance already making good headway on all of that things as they continue to fill up their game pieces at the top part of their reef. Red Alliance, realizing the danger that their teammates might be in, are applying some defensive bumper-on-bumper action. That's Team 10-492. Wearing additional in the field of play. Team 1720 fixed gears, continuing to not be outdone by their teammates, scoring just as much as does their opponents. There are 2 coral stations, which means since one's heavily guarded, teams will start making their way over to the other one, but will have to take their time as additional game pieces come into the field of play from that coral reef station. Due to the Blue Alliance's distractions, Red Alliance is continuing to make good headway as they open up additional scoring opportunities on their side of the reef. Each of those coral PVC pipes are worth 5 points when scored on the top part of the reef, also known as L4, L for level. With 56 seconds remaining, the match scores 91-62 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Plenty of points still available in the coral, algae, and in the climb, so don't discount the Red Alliance quite yet. This match features all robots in the top 3, so we will potentially see a shift in those rankings, depending on how the ranking points come out at this match. Teams almost completely avoiding the algae, seeing as a distraction away from the coral. Teams can get additional ranking points if they can fill up that coral all the way, which the Blue Alliance actually just successfully completed. And with that 20 seconds remaining, we'll hear that sonar ping. The longer the chain, the more points they'll gain is the phrase I've been coining and trying to coin. Teams trying to get elevated off the ground and score additional points for their alliance. The cage that's closer to the ground is a lot harder to design around. Blue Alliances can get points for just parking alone. And that's about all the time we have for qualification match 11 here at the Finn District Watching event presented by Toyota Indiana and Vincennes University Center for Applied Robotics and Automation. Stick tight for those scores. Narwhal match, it's the Unicorns of the Sea. Red Alliance not leaving empty-handed. They'll take 2 ranking points for their work in the autonomous and in the end game of the barge. Stick tight for qualification match 12.